Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to turn off website notification in Google Chrome. So friend, let's get started. First we click on Google Chrome and now click on three dot icon which is available on right hand top. Then select settings. Here friend, you can see that left hand side here you will see privacy and security. Simply click on it. And here you will see in bottom site settings. Click on it and now find out notifications. Now you simply click on it and maybe your browser is selected this one. Now you can select don't allow sites to send notification. That's it. Now no any website can send you notification on your Google Chrome browser. So friend, this is the tutorial which I want to share with you guys how you can turn off site notification in Google Chrome. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because we are uploading this type of tutorials every day. So you will learn something new. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.